What's up, y'all? Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, my name is Tia, and here we share simple home decor and lifestyle tips to make life and relationships beautiful and blessed. If you're a homebody babe, you already know it's cool being outside, but there's no place like home. And today we're going to clean with me and decorate with me this Christmas bathroom because I like my guests to feel just as welcome and special in the guest bath as they do in any other part of our home. Also, I wanted to go ahead and prepare for winter decor after the holiday season, so I'll be able to take out just a few pieces and just have a nice basic winter decor so I don't have to do too much to decorate the bathroom once the holiday season is over. Each week I make a sanitizer bowl with scent beads, bleach, and very hot water. I keep this in the laundry room to avoid cross-contamination because I'm a total germaphobe. So anytime I'm done every few days with my dishcloths or when I clean the bathroom, I toss all of my cleaning cloths in this bowl so that they can be cleaned prior to mixing with my other towels in the laundry. Today I'm using 3 simple products. I have a 50-50 water and vinegar mix for the mirrors and glass. I have some Fabuloso. Normally I use pine sol, but my mom and dad got me a bunch of Fabuloso for my Christmas care package, so I'm going to use it, and plus it smells good and works well. So I'm using Fabuloso and Clorox bleach foamer. I love this for cleaning the toilets. I like to clean the bathroom in less than 15 minutes. For today's video, I had already cleaned the shower and the tub, which this is the guest bath, as I said, so we rarely use the shower and tub here. But I did clean it because it was just had like a little dust settled on it. But other than that, I like to clean the bathroom very quickly. So you see I'm moving quickly here. I've cleaned the mirror, cleaned the sink, cleaned the countertop, and now I'm going to give the cabinets a wipe down. And all of that was with the Fabuloso. As you've seen, I'd already sprayed down the toilet and had the bleach and everything ready to go, so that's had time to kind of settle in and clean the toilet. So now I'm just wiping everything down from the outside in with this white cloth. And as I said before, I have my sanitizer bowl ready, so as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna go and toss this right in there so I don't get anything else cross-contaminated with any of the germs from the toilet. For those of you who don't know, if you're new here, my fiance and I, we live in a high-rise building in Atlanta, Georgia. This building is about 4 or 5 years old, but I cannot get rid of these stains in the toilet. If you guys have a trick for that, let me know. Otherwise, I think I'm going to ask them to give us a new one, but the toilet is clean. Okay, so now that everything else is cleaned, I'm just going to give the top of the baseboards a nice wipe down because dust just settles there. And guys, let me tell you something. I learned this from another YouTuber, a cleaning video a couple of years ago, and this has been the fastest thing to help me clean up the bathroom, which is just, since it's such a small amount of square footage, just go ahead and clean the floor with the cloth. So I'm spraying some Fabuloso. Obviously, I've already swept the floor, and I give it a quick wipe down, and in less than a minute, I can have the floor cleaned and mopped, probably cleaner than if I'd used the mop, without having to use a bucket and water. So tip of the day, wipe your floors down with a hot water cloth and some cleaning solution, and you can mop in no time. So now the bathroom is clean and we are ready to decorate. I'm starting by adjusting this painting that I have on the wall. It's a Highland cow, but I think it's a really fun spin on the Highland cow, which I'm not quite sure where this trend came from, but I do love them. And I thought this one was just so unique with the green sofa. It's just so elegant and almost royal looking. So I thought it would be fun to put this in the bathroom for the holiday season. So here it is. And so over here, I'm just going to use a white chevron towel, which I'm just going to loop just in itself. And voila, it's on the towel hook. I think this is very cute, chic, and simple and elegant. So try it if you haven't tried that. Now, these curtains are regular shirt curtains, 96 inches. 2 panels came in a pair. I went to Home Goods a few weeks ago looking for some black panels to put in the bathroom and balance off the black countertops and this painting. And this was the only pair of black panels in Home Goods that day, but I fell in love with them instantly because the gold touches in there are just so gorgeous and it was just perfect. So I think they were just destined for me to bring home. Continuing on with this simple neutral theme, I got some white towels to contrast against the black, and these are 2 basic white bath towels that I did a basic 1/3 fold, and I'm just gonna put a pair of them on either side of the towel bar. I have a slightly bigger black bath towel, slightly longer towel that I'm putting directly on top of those to layer in the center. And this wasn't intentional, but I do like the fact that the towel is slightly longer because it just kind of adds a little element there. And then I got 2 of these snowflake black and white pillows from Home Goods as well. I thought they were just so beautiful and simple and elegant looking. And I'm just popping one on top of those just to finish off this area. I picked this up in Home Goods probably 5 years ago, and I definitely believe in doing well, living well, and dressing well. And I think in the bathroom is a good place to have this, and it matches the Christmas decor for this year. So it was a nice, simple touch to this corner. And I know you guys didn't think that I was going to forget to use this beautiful, huge ornament that I showed you a couple of videos back in my Ross haul. So here is where it ended up, and I love it here. It's just very, very simple. You guys know I'm all about the simple. And it just looks very nice. Nice touch. This pedestal came from Hobby Lobby. I got it for about $29 a couple of months back. And I'm going to just put this jar that I got from Home Goods back in the summer. I love this jar. It's gold. Check it out. It's beautiful. I love that solid stripe on the front that contrasts with the ridges. Just elegant, beautiful, and the way it pops against these drapes, chef's kiss. I love it. I got this planter from Home Goods for $39.99 back in the spring. I typically always have something in this spot in the bathroom under whatever I have hanging on the wall. So this was just perfect for now since I wasn't using it. And I'm adding in those 3 rolled towels along with the second towel that I got from Home Goods, the snowflake towel. I'm simply just going to roll it at the top and tuck it in. And the final piece to bring this little corner together are 2 gorgeous ornaments I picked up at Ross that were left over from some gifts I gave to my lady friends who came over for an event a couple of weeks ago. Go check out that vlog, ladies. I noticed a lot of you guys didn't watch it, but it is a great idea for something that you can do with your lady friends and family. Continuing on to this side of the room, I have a tray I picked up at Marshall's or Home Goods along with this chain that came from Home Goods back in the spring. I love it. It's been so versatile, and I've had this all over our home. And you guys already know I am absolutely obsessed with these black velvet and gold reindeer from Target that were only $5. And I got 4 of them. So glad I did because they have been all over our home as well this holiday season. In case anyone thought I forgot to use my pine cones that I got on the side of the road for free and showed you guys how to bake them in the oven to debug them, no, I absolutely did not. I paired them here with this vase along with this greenery I got from Hobby Lobby. I love this greenery. I bought 20 stems of them, and I have some on the kitchen island as well. And 2 black candles from Amazon. And this napkin holder I got at Marshall's for $4.99. This I just picked up at Marshall's for $7.99. It already has soap in it. I love the gold Christmas tree. And yeah, that's it for the bathroom. I think it came out so lovely. Everything just combined so well and contrasts so well. The bathroom just looks so elegant. So let me let you just enjoy.